Today we are going to prepare supreme fish curry. Clean the fish, marinate with the lemon, turmeric and salt, and then we have to make it for marination. Now let's keep and put 1 spoon of mustard seeds, and then once it's done, add the fenugreek seeds and 4 cloves of garlic and then few curry leaves. Now make it to fry for a while, and then once it is done, today we are taking 4 chili of green chilies. Okay, we have to put it in the oil and then also make it to fry nicely. Once after that, today we have taken 2 onions and we have to make these onions to fry nicely until the brown color. Now we have to add the tomatoes. For fish curry we have to add always less tomato compared to the onion. So today I have taken only 1 tomato, and let's cook it nicely. Now onion and tomato cooked nicely. Now we need to add the masala: 1/2 spoon of turmeric, 1.5 spoon of chili powder and 3 spoon of coriander powder. Now also add cumin seeds powder, 1/2 spoon, and then 1/4 spoon of pepper seeds powder, and then salt for taste. You can add the salt even at the end if the salt is less. So now we have to mix everything and then make it together. Now it's mixed well. Now in order to make this masala powder smell to go away, we need to add some few amount of water so that this masala smells will go off. Now we have to mix it very well and keep it for a while until all the oil comes up. So now you will see all the oil, it's coming up. Now it's cooked nicely. Now this time we have to add some coriander leaves. Now mix the coriander leaf with this masala, and you have to make it nicely so that this thickness should come. Now this is a time, now we have to add the tamarind juice. So today I soaked the tamarind 30 minutes before, and you have to just put only the tamarind water. Fish curry always prepared with tamarind juice so that the taste will be awesome. Now let's see, it's now cooked very nicely with the tamarind water. Okay, now this is a time you have to make sure that how much amount of fish curry you need to add water. Now today I am adding water, boiled water, so that it will get cooked fast. So now make it to cook, make it to boil. Now it's boiled very well. Now it is time to add the coconut milk. Today I am adding the coconut of almost half of coconut, and it's now add the fish slowly one by one. And when you are putting the fish, you should make the fire to be in a sim mode, means to the last, so that the fish will not break into pieces. Now the fish curry is ready. At last you have to add some coriander leaves for the smell of the leaves. Now this supreme fish curry is ready. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Let's enjoy fish curry rice. Thank you.